Welcome to another video. Today I have a tiny helper over here, my dog Chica. So let's see what I'm gonna do today. Today I'm unboxing some Born Pretty cat eye gel polishes plus another special gel polish that I haven't seen before. It has a nice surprise inside, so wait and see. Right now, as you can see, all the names are stamped right on top of the cap of the bottle. This one is so cute. Some of them are like jelly-like, so that means that they're gonna be semi-transparent. And sometimes I prefer to use these type of gels with the solid color on to start with. But it's up to you if you don't mind to have kind of transparent nails. These ones will look very cute as well. And this is the one that I was mentioning that I haven't seen before. It's called Sequence Jelly, and it has a sequence inside, kind of it's like chunky glitter. This particular one has tiny hearts, and I love it so much. It's so cute. It comes with instructions and a wooden stick. The instructions have different languages, which is very good, and it mentions as well on how long to cure it for. So I'm figuring out how to use this wooden stick, and I think it's just to move around the sequence to place them where you want it because they are really chunky. This gel polish has to be mixed properly just to get all the sequence on the brush, and then from there you can place it anywhere you like. They're really cute. Next, I'm just gonna do all the swatches, and I decided to apply a solid color as a base just because some of these gel polishes are semi-transparent. If you haven't tried cat eye gel polish before, you do need a magnet to move the tiny magnets inside the gel polish and create any shape or design that you like. And as you can see, this blue one is reacting very well to the magnet. These are all the swatches. The gel polishes are beautiful. I love them all. And next I'm gonna move on to the design for today, and I'm creating galaxy nails, and I'm starting with the black gel polish as a base, and this is from the brand Beetles. Once I cure the black gel polish for 60 seconds, I'm moving on to the beautiful cat eye, and I'm using this blue one with glitters inside. So besides the cat eye effect, it has as well tiny glitters, and that is gonna make my galaxy so beautiful. Today I'm gonna be playing with a couple of magnets. First, I'm gonna be using this magnet to pull all the pieces to the edges, and then I'm using a nail stamp piece, as you can see here. Those are magnetic from the bottom, so it helped me to create this beautiful center circle. So this is gonna be my galaxy, and then on top of the galaxy, I'm gonna be drawing some planets. So I just finished painting the little planets, and now I'm just going to complete the design with tiny stars. These ones are very easy to do. You just need to use some white gel polish and a dotting tool. So you place a dot, and with a very thin liner brush with very little gel polish in it, you just drag it like that and create your star. And this one's came out very cute today. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to be curing everything for 60 seconds. Okay, so after I apply top coat, I clean the nails, and now I'm gonna place it on the this box that I have for press-on nails. I already applied some double-side tape on it, and I'm gonna be posting these nails on my Etsy store as well. They're really cute, so I think they're worth it. And yes, so I'm placing everything here, and these are the final results for today. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. You have a wonderful day.